Hi everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 30th of July and currently the time is 10:30 in the morning, and today I'm going to visit the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. So in the Wildlife Sanctuary there are like some few spots which are like quite famous. So today I'm going to be showing you all those spots in this video. And right now I am sitting like this is the Kushavati river besides me, and I'm here right now. So this area is actually Zambauli where I am, and this spot is like right behind the Zambauli temple. And I just thought of showing you this view before starting the proper video. And you can see that right now, because it's just a few days that the rain has reduced, or else it was raining quite heavily, and because of that you can see the flow of the water is like quite high. And that's where. So if you all are coming, if you all visit this place, the Zambauli temple, you all can come here and see this view. Like to come here you all have proper steps and everything is there. And right now, because you know, like water level is a bit high, so you all can't see the steps, but the steps are like still quite down. And if you all come in winters or in summers, you all can like swim easily in this river, and it's like quite good for picnics also, but not now, not in monsoons. Okay, so when even I was a kid, even I used to come here for picnics with my family, but now it's been quite so many years I've not come here. Okay, so that's there, and we'll sit here for a while, and we'll move for our destination in a bit. So we are already left from Zambauli, okay, and we are right now on our way to the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. And on your way, you get this so beautiful view. And this is not just the start; there are so much more beautiful views on our way, okay. And this is all rice paddy fields, and in the distance, the temple. Actually, I forgot the name of the temple, but I'll mention it, okay. And this is the road. We have to go straight from here now towards the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, okay. And there's the car, so let's go. The Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Sangam Taluka and is the largest sanctuary in Goa. To the north of the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary lies the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary to its south. The major attractions in the wildlife sanctuary are the Savri and the Mainapi waterfall, which can be visited through a small track. So we have reached here on our first destination, which is the Budbud Tali or the Bubble Lake. Okay, so there it is. Like this is the main entry, but it is closed. So we are going from the other point, and it's raining really. Like now it has slowed down a bit, but it was raining really very heavily. Okay. So there is the temple, and it's a temple, and the lake is in the premise of the temple. So we'll enter and then I'll show you all. The Bubble Lake is present in the premise of Gopinath temple, and the temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna, who was the Lord of Gopis. Therefore, the name Gopinath. The original idol that was there in this temple since the 14th century has been moved to the Goa State Museum now. And although it is called Bubble Lake, this is just a small pond in the temple premise. So we have reached here on our first destination. This is the Budbud Tari or the Bubble Lake, and this is famous because when you make any kind of sound, bubbles are formed from within, and you can see it over here. But right now it's drizzling, so you won't be able to make out that much. And the other thing is that there's also another temple of Gopinath Devasthan. Here it is. But because right now it's afternoon time, so the kapats are closed. Okay. So this is the whole view of this place, and now it has started to drizzle again. And that's it. And you can see that the water is like really very clean. You can see till down. आप ना उसको एकदम नीचे से देख सकते हो, बट बिकॉज आलगे ही जमी हुई है इसलिए आपको लगेगा कि तालाब गंदा है, बट इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी क्लीन. एंड देयर आर ऑल्सो द स्मॉल फिशेज, द पेडिक्योर फिशेज इन इट. एंड एट द सेंटर ऑफ द लेक यू कैन सी दैट on that there is a small trishul kept on a rock. I'll just zoom out and I'll show it to you all. There's that small trishul kept, okay, and जो त्रिशूल जहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है उसी पॉइंट पे ना आपको छोटी सी ना भगवान की मूर्ति भी दिख रही होगी. वेल क्लियरली तो नहीं दिख रहा है उतना, बट उसके लिए यू नीड वेरी माइन्यूट ऑब्जर्वेशन टू सी दैट. ओके, एंड देन दिस इज द होल लेक एंड दिस आर इट्स सराउंडिंग. और लेक के जो दूसरी तरफ है वहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा तुलसी का ये उन्होंने बनाया है, और हमने जो है दर्शन कर लिए हैं एंड वी इवन गॉट द प्रसाद. So there are many reasons as to why these bubbles are formed. Some claim that they are the work of the local deity, while others say that they are due to the carbon or the sulfur dioxide gas. And well, there are many more such claims, but the true origin of the bubbles is still a mystery. Now we are going to our second destination. So हमने ये जगह मेनली आए थे, we came to नेत्रावली mainly to see the सावरी waterfall, जो कि नेत्रावली waterfall भी उसको बोला जाता है. But I think it's like not open yet, but it's better we go and check if it's actually not open or not. Okay, so let's go back to the parking of this temple. The Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary is home to about 50 animal species and nearly 200 bird species. There are mammals like the gaur, leopards, wild boars, also smaller mammals like the porcupines and the Indian giant squirrels. Many species are endemic to the region, like the Malabar rose butterfly, which is seen only in Netravali and southwards. There are no safaris in the sanctuary, so the best way to explore is self-drives, just like how we are doing. So we have reached here to the gate of Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. So here you all have to pay for your car. So this is the surrounding, okay, near the entrance of the Nitrali Wildlife Sanctuary. So as I said that they have closed it. Actually, you all can't, not just waterfall, the whole wildlife sanctuary is being closed at the moment, and it will open maybe next month when the rainfalls will decrease. Okay, even next month is not sure maybe, but the forest officer told us that it will open next month. So ये जो है इन्होंने इसके लिए बंद कर रखा है क्योंकि बारिश बहुत हुई है, तो वाटरफॉल्स वगैरह जो है उस पर फ्लो बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसके लिए उन्होंने सब बंद ही कर रखा है यहाँ पे. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट यहाँ पे मतलब ये जो मेन गेट है वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी का, वहाँ पे भी मतलब जो है यू नो देयर इज़ दिस स्मॉल हनुमान जी का टेम्पल है यहाँ पे, और आप यहाँ पे मतलब थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, बट कमिंग नाउ इज़ नॉट अ गुड ऑप्शन बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ओपन ऑल्सो. हमें लगा था कि यहाँ पे ओपन है बिकॉज क्योंकि गूगल पे ओपन दिखा रहा था, एंड यहाँ आके पता चला इट्स नॉट ओपन. सो वेल एनीवे इतना ये हो गया, बट वेल नो प्रॉब्लम. द जर्नी टिल दिस प्लेस वॉज रियली वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, एंड लेट्स सी इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू एनी अदर लोकेशन नियर बाय. ठीक है, तो अगर किसी और जगह पे जाना हो गया देन आई विल कीप यू ऑल अपडेटेड. So this is the small temple here near the main gate of the wildlife sanctuary. ये हनुमान जी का मंदिर है. ठीक है, एंड हमें जो है यहाँ पे एक फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर ने बताया कि यहाँ पे जो है इन सब जो बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह इनके पीछे ना एक रिवर है, आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो. सो आई एम गोइंग देयर नाउ. तो ये जो मंदिर है उसके ठीक पीछे है रिवर, एंड उसका जाने का रास्ता जो है यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम हियर. इसी ये वॉशरूम है यहाँ पे, एंड यहाँ पे जो ये घर सा कुछ है, ये घर या ऑफिस है कुछ, वहाँ से जो है रास्ता है, आप वहाँ रिवर तक जा सकते हो. तो अगर यहाँ तक आए हैं एंड वाटरफॉल तो देख नहीं पाए तो कम से कम यही देख लें. सो दिस इज़ द रिवर है ना, और इतना व्यू है, नीचे जा सकते हैं बट बहुत स्लिपरी है, सो रिस्क नहीं लेना है. एंड आप फ्लो देख सकते हो, अगर इतना फ्लो है देन जस्ट इमेजिन द फ्लो ऑन द वाटरफॉल्स हो जाए. So I came walking from there, and यहाँ पे जो है एक पॉइंट है, आप नीचे आ सकते हो, बट बेटर यू आस्क फॉर परमिशन एंड देन यू ऑल कम. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज़ द लास्ट पॉइंट टू कम हियर, एंड जस्ट लुक एट द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर and the dense forest around it. Just look at how dense it is. So this is the river which flows from here. Okay, so I'll go back on top now. Hi bolo. बस there is also this small nursery over here. If you know any local person is coming visiting this place and they are interested in buying, they can purchase from here. There are like various, there are mostly big plants like trees and all other, like guava and all that. Okay, so you can see. So now we are going back towards where we had parked our car, because हम लोग यहाँ पे आए थे सावरी वाटरफॉल जाने के लिए, बट जा नहीं पाए, तो इसके लिए अभी यहीं तक आके हम वापस जा रहे हैं. So that was all about our today's monsoon drive, and now we are going back home. I hope you all liked this video. If you all did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon with another video. Until then, take care.